Okay. Yeah. Now navigate to virtual machine. Okay. Copy this VM. Okay. Start the VM. Just start the VM. Okay. Just copy MSTS. Paste it. Connect.
So this is Linux machine, right? Hello.
Sorry.
This is
Putty.
Linux machine. RDP will not work.
Sorry.
This is Linux machine. RDP
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
not
Sorry.
work. We
Sorry.
have
Yeah.
to put it.
Got it. Okay. Now copy. Paste it. Okay. Yeah. So this is the login from. Now enter the credentials. Cloud admin. SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Okay, this is the putty, guys. We can also use MOBA Exchange. That is the one tool. That is also very popular tool. You can use it. What is the tool name? MOBA Exchange. What is that? MOBA Exchange. Okay. Yeah. So that also you can install and configure, and easily you can modify the changes. If you want to deploy any application, okay, if you want to copy and paste it something else, MOBA Extreme is the best tool. Okay. Also, most of the people are using nowadays MOBA Extreme. What is that? MOBA Extreme. Yeah, download it. Okay. It's not a free. Okay, it is the paid version. So this is for our home purpose. It is now downloading. See, download MOBA Extreme for home version and what is that? Home edition 23.4 portable edition and installer edition. You can use anything, guys. No worries. Okay. Yeah. Next, I'm going for 23.4. Download it. It is downloading. Just give me 2 minutes, please. I'm getting some office call. Okay, sorry guys. See, mobile extreme has been downloaded. Now open the window. Okay, extract it. Right click and extract it. Okay, am I audible, guys?
Yeah, now you are audible.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, you
okay.
are audible.
Now extract it. Okay, yeah, install mobile extreme personal 23.4 version. Okay, download and install it. Yeah, so this is the tool. Okay, yeah, now you can have terminal or session. You can use new session. See, it contains SHS, Telnet, RDP, BNC, okay, file, shell, everything it can be support. All these type of files, you can access it through MOBA Exchange. Now click on SHS, post the remote session. Okay, now just copy, okay, paste it. Okay, okay. Yes, accept it. Username, cloud admin. Password, SharePoint iterator, 1234. Yes, I don't want to save the password. It has been accessed. Okay, now clear the window. See guys, this is the word. Our terminal. We will call it as terminal. Okay, yeah, as I said, if you want to install latest patches, so use sudo su-super user, right? Yeah, next. Now, as I said, go to home directory, I mean root directory, just type ll in the sense long list. See guys, these are the list of files. Okay, list of file system. Now I want to install latest patches for Linux. Okay, what is the command, guys? Apt update. What is that? Apt update. Okay, see, these packages have been installed successfully. Okay, these packages have been installed successfully. Now, clear the window. Again, I am using same command, apt update. Yeah, it's saying that all dependency packages have been installed. Okay, now I want to install Java software. How can I install, guys? For example, JDK, Java Development Toolkit. If you want to deploy one Java application, Java add-ins has to be installed. Okay, so same app install Java. Just type Java. That's it. It contain unable to install. App type and install. So the command will be changed for different flavors of Linux. Okay, yeah. For example, if it is Red Hat, okay, Red Hat operating system, you can go ahead and install yum install yum install Java. You can use it. Okay, yum is the keyword. It helps us to update and install some softwares. So this is the latest version, right? Let us check if it is work or not. Yum is not found. Okay, yeah. So M is the keyword that can be help us to update and install some softwares using Red Hat SUSE as well. If you are using SUSE operating system or Red Hat, okay, happily you can use M. M is the keyword. Clear?
And there is default-java is there. Can you try it, sir?
What is that?
Default-java. Apt install default-java.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
not need not mention default. Java you should accept it.
sir, should we install OpenJDK? Something.
Okay. I'll check, guys. Let me open Copilot. Okay. Copilot.microsoft. Okay. I need chart. Okay. Install Java in Ubuntu OS. Gain some philosophy. Yeah, GRE, guys. Okay, apt install default GRE, not Java. So if it is Red Hat mission, no, by default you can type it Java. That's it. Okay, yeah, I am copying same. Okay, Control C, clear the window. Okay, paste it. See, install JR. Yes, install it. Okay, yeah, it has been installed successfully. Okay, clear the window. Yeah, so how to check the version? Java
Java
version. So by default, it has installed Java 11, but latest version is what? Java 18, guys. Latest version, I think Java 17, 17 was there, but latest it should be Java 18, or we can install latest version. Okay, by default, standard and compatibility version is Java 11. Okay, fine. Now I want to install Apache server. Okay, what is the Apache server, guys? Apache server. Apache is the web server where we can deploy the applications. Where we can deploy the applications. Okay, same way in .NET, how did I choose like install IAS web server and deploy the application, right? For Linux mission, just we have to install Apache server. Okay, yeah. Now have a look. Now we go to MOBA XT. Okay, yeah. So how to install app? Install HTTP. So HTTPD, it is in Red Hat. In Red Hat, you can use HTTPD. Okay. Now, in Ubuntu, install Apache 2. Yeah, Apache 2 is the version. So if you want to install same thing in Red Hat mission, you have to install yum install. What is that?
Apache.
Yum install HTTPD. Okay, yeah. Next, yes, it is accepting for Your approval. Okay, it is installing. Now just I want to know whether the service is starting or not. For example, how to check if particular service is running or not? Go to services.msc. Yeah, paste it. Okay. For example, see this service is running. Okay, in Windows Mission, we can check like this. But coming to the Linux, what is that command?
System CTL status Apache
System
CTL
status. What is that? Apache
Apache 2.
2.
System SYS.
System spelling, sir.
Yes. See, it is in active. Okay, it is in active. Okay, if it is working fine, by default, Apache server will deploy one default page that should be accessible. Okay, yeah, how to access? Navigate to Azure portal, copy this IP, paste it.
Sir,
Apache, the
what
default
is
page.
what is the full form of this CTL? System CTL?
System control, guys.
Control. Okay, shortcut for control.
Yes. Okay, system CTL is the common command for all Linux flavors, guys. System CTL.
Yeah.
Okay, it is common system command for all Linux flavors. Okay, even Microsoft also they are planning to launch Linux operating system. We may expect Azure Linux or Microsoft Linux. Name or Mariner. Something. Three of them, one of the name of three, you will get Linux flavor from Microsoft. That would be Azure Linux or Microsoft Linux or Mariner. They are going to mention these names. Okay, we may expect it Microsoft Linux maybe in next year, 2025 or end of 2024. Okay, yeah, next. Now this is about what? How to install and configure the Linux operating system. On top of it, how to install Apache server. Got it? Okay. Now I want to deploy my custom application. What is that? I want to deploy my custom application. How to deploy one custom application? So to copy the files from Linux to Windows to Linux, there is a one third-party tool. What was the tool?
VMware workstation.
There is a one tool, right? So the tool name we will call it as what? WinSAP. Have you heard about it? WinSAP? Windows Secure Copy.
So that is to transfer the data only, right?
Yes. Your application will be in, assume that developer mission. How we can copy that into Linux mission to deploy on top of Apache server or WebLogic? Same funda. If you want to copy some files, project related files or something from Windows to Linux, we will use WinSAP, Windows Secure Copy. Okay, yeah, or else now have a look, just go here. By default path of IAS is, Okay, cd where, okay, ll. Now cd www. This is the www. Now clear the window. Next cd, just type ll. There is a what? HTML. cd HTML. Okay, clear the window. LL. See, it doesn't index.html file. I want to remove this file. Can I remove it? Yes, rm index.html. Sorry, rm index.html. See, it's done. Just type ll. The file has been removed. Now, can I go ahead and access this page?
File is removed, you cannot access.
The page has been deleted. It is looking for the page. Still, it is getting an error. Now, can I deploy or can I develop my custom file? Yes. How can I do that? VI. VI is the means editor, guys. Okay. VI is the keyword. Using that, we can create and update the existing files. I am choosing VI index.html. Okay. Hit enter. It will open the editor. Okay. Yeah. Here you can develop the what? Your code. So for example, HTML, close HTML. Okay. Next body, PG color, yellow. Okay. PG color, yellow. Next H1. Welcome to Linux operating system. Okay. Yeah. Next another keyword. Welcome to Azure Cloud Computing. Azure Cloud Computing. Okay. Yeah. Now close tablet. It will save and quit the window. Okay. Yeah. Now go ahead and access the file. Refresh one time. See, guys, this is how we can post the application, our custom application. Clear? Okay.
Sir, where www is the default path for other Linux and SUSE, everything, right? Red Hat and everything.
Sorry.
Where the default deployment path is same, right? For other OS also, Linux.
Yeah, it is there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that's what. Just the content on Linux, that is enough. Okay. So commands would be changed. Okay. Default path is quite common, and the way of deploying and the way of what is that? I said right. To install in Ubuntu, we are using apt install. If you go for SUSE and Red Hat, okay, we will use yum install.
install. Yeah.
So some type of commands would be changed. Everything you cannot remember, that is sure. So how to verify it in Google, pull it and use it. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
The file name should be same or we can change it. Index.html file.
Sorry.
The file name like index.html file.
Yeah,
Which you
those
have.
are quite common. If it is Java, abc.java extension. Okay, if it is .NET application, abc.axpx. I will come to that point, guys.
Can I change that file name like index2.html and check?
Yeah, you can do that. Index2.html, you can put that case. What we have to do? We have to put index2.html. Like that, you have to access.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So index.html, default.axpx, default.java, they are basic inbuilt. Automatically, it will load the landing page. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Got it.
Someone asking about .NET. Yes, guys, as a Azure administrator, I'm going to teach everything. You should have knowledge about Linux as well. I am not expecting like you should be expert on it. So at least you should know basic. Why? Because tomorrow, if you join as a Azure administrator, the clients will come to you and asking about that. Please provision the 1, 2, or 3 Linux virtual machines. At least you should have basic idea. Okay. Basics is enough. You want to know everything, then again you have to learn Linux administration part. Not required for Azure. If you have basics, that is more than enough. Okay.
Can we run Java program?
Sorry.
Can we run Java program?
Yeah. Instead of, if we have Java application, just how did I do? No, just copy and paste it.
Okay.
Got it. Yeah. So, for example, as I said, to copy the files from our Windows to Linux, okay, as I said, we have to install one tool. What is the tool name? WinSAP. Now, have a look. Just go and verify WinSAP. Just type and download. I am thinking in the chart. This is a popular tool. I will same thing. I will repeat it in some another topic as well in cloud computing itself. So what is that WinSAP? C. So WinSAP is a major application version. New features are there. Okay, it helps us to what is that? Copy the files from Linux to Windows, Windows to Linux. Okay, yeah. Now download WinSAP. Or else you can also use mobile extreme, guys. Mobile extreme also you can use. Anyhow, that we'll see later. Now, this is the popular tool. I want to let you know about this tool. Yes. Okay. WinSAP. Right click, extract it.
Sir, we can directly install.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. It's already there in my system. Accept. Next. Okay, finish. Okay, yeah. Now, just type WinSAP. Okay, so the screen will be divided into two parts. The screen will be divided into two parts. Okay, this is what? Local
Ubuntu.
system.
Local
Windows
system, local Windows.
Yes. Okay, yeah, this is for Linux, guys. Okay, yeah, now have a look. Yeah, here we need to pass host name, username, and password. Okay, what is the host name? Server IP address. Copy and paste. Okay, username, cloud admin. Password, SharePoint, @12345. And it has been connected. Okay, yeah, see, I have one sample application. It is an E drive. See, you can navigate to any drive in your local machine. C drive, E drive, F drive, anything. So I have some applications in E drive, web. You see the web applications directly. Okay, I have some application. Now, this is what? Home directory, cloud admin, Okay, yeah, see where www index.html. See guys, this is the file which I have deployed. Okay, if I delete it, what will happen? That page cannot be accessed. So to delete it, it is saying that what? Permission is denied. Actually, I logged in with what? Which account? Cloud admin. So cloud admin, it doesn't have the major permission to perform this activity. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to, what is that? Log in with root account. Root account is a super admin. Using that, we can perform any operations in Linux machine, guys. As I said, while deploying any Linux machine, just it will create two users. One is cloud admin that details that we have passed while provisioning the virtual machine. Another thing is what? Root user. Root user, the built-in user. Okay. So in real time, root account credentials won't be shared with anyone. Okay. That is the Azure administrator will only have the permission to access with root account. If they want provide the root permissions, yes, they can provide the root permission for any developers in the team. Okay, that is different. Fine, leave it. Now, I want access this. What is that? Linux API using root account. How to do that? To do that, I don't know the password of root account. Got it? I don't know the password of root account. So how to change the password? Pass WD, password change. Yes. For which user? Root account. I am giving SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3. See, updated successfully. Okay, updated successfully. Next. Now, go to Windows API, close it. Okay, open it back again. Windows API. Okay, yeah, post name, username, root, password, SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it won't allow you to access. Okay, that is the defect of Ubuntu. Generally, in the Red Hat mission, if you change the password for root account, happily you will be able to access. There is no restriction. But coming to the Ubuntu, in configuration file, what is that? In configuration file. Okay, yeah, we have to allow access the root account details. Okay, the configuration file will be there, etc directory, etc directory. Okay, yeah, how to do the change? Go to MOBA Exchange. Okay, MOBA Exchange. Yeah, LL. Go to CD etc directory. Okay, clear the window. LL. Here we have SHS. Okay, look at my screen.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the one. Okay, CD SHS. Clear the window. LL. So here we have SHSD configuration file. Okay, yeah, how to open that file? Don't tell me. Just now I said, right?
VI,
Sorry.
VI
Yeah, VI.
file name.
Yeah, SHS underscore config. Okay. So here you can check there is a permission allowed. Okay, let me check.
One small doubt, you told SSHD underscore config, right?
Oh, sorry, SHSD. I open SHS.
Yes, SSHD underscore config only you told.
Yeah.
SSHD
Right. SHSD underscore config.
config.
It's VA, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now have a look. See what it is saying. Permission root login provided. Okay. So what I will do now? Permission permit root login. I am giving yes. Okay, I am giving yes. Okay, this is the only another line of code we have added. Okay, yeah. Now escape. WT means save the window quiet. Okay, yeah. So if you want take the screenshot, guys, there would be a bit confusion of changing this setting in configuration file of etc directory. Okay, yeah. Next, now we have to restart the SHS-config. There is a SHS service, okay, that has to be restarted. So how to do that? Let's check, guys. Systemctl,
Restart.
okay.
SSHD.
Yeah. Okay. So after see systemctl here it is working, right?
Status.
Okay.
SSH.
Okay. Yeah. So actually yum install also I hear that they have implemented, okay, same command. Systemctl as common command, it will work for all Linux flavor base. Okay. Yeah, I have restarted. How to check whether the changes are affected or not? Here right click in mobile extreme. This is the one advantage. Go to duplicate tab. Okay. Signing with root account. SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, yeah, I'm able to access now. Now what I will do now? Go to okay. Go to WinSAP. Again, paste the IP address details. Copy and paste it. Okay. Yeah. Next. Username this time root. Password SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4. Access. Fail check from. Are not affected. Let me start this service again.
Sir, if you don't mind, in SSHD config, we need to disable certain things, sir. I pinged you in the chat. Sir,
Yeah, sorry.
in SSHD config, we need to disable few things. Can we do it, sir?
So I can press not
Yes, sir. I pinged you in the chat.
I'm seeing your chat. Now one more service please start.
Only these three things should be disabled.
Okay, I'm using this command. Let me check finally. Again, I'm accessing with root account. Root. Point at the rate of 1, 2, 3. Again, I'm changing the password. Okay, pass WP. SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4. SharePoint at the rate of 1, 2, 3. Doesn't match. Yeah, it is changed. Yeah, it's logged in. Okay. Now have a look. This is the root, right? In left side, it is showing directory, guys. Now navigate to where? Okay, www HTML. Okay, so this is the file is there. Now right click and delete it. I have deleted. Now this site cannot be accessible. Which one? Refresh one. See, it cannot be accessed. What I will do now, I will try to copy the files. Okay.
Sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to web applications, OpenShare. This is the sample application. Just highlight, drag and drop. It should accept it, guys. See background, it is copied. It is copied.
Sir, you have to do this from WinSCR file, right?
Sorry.
Win
Yeah, I will
SC.
show you. I will show you. Just to verification whether it is working or not.
Sure.
So that is the advantage of the mobile extreme. Okay.
Sir, can we do this copy task in this putty app? Is it possible?
Using putty, no guys. Generally you have to use commands.
Yeah.
Okay. See, files have been copied, right? Now go ahead and refresh. See guys, sites can be accessible. I am pinging in the chat. You can also verify. Are able to access?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You are able to access, right? Yeah. Next. Now I am going to show you what is that using WinSAP. Now sign in. See, it is accessible. Okay. Now go to root. Okay. Where www. See, these are the files which I have copied through mobile extreme. Am I right? I am going to delete it. See, I am able to delete. Okay. Yeah. Now go to web application. Okay. I have sample application. I am deploying different application this time. Drag and drop. That's it. So whatever I am doing through WinSAP, same thing we can do mobile extreme, guys. This is the popular tool. Currently, most of the companies are using. That's why I have introduced.
Sir, earlier why it is not able to log in, sir, in WinSAP? We
Sorry?
did the earlier in WinSAP we are not able to log in, right? You did some steps, right? What you did actually?
Yeah, this is the change. Permit login, yes, right? I mentioned.
Yes.
Yeah. So after that, I try to reset the password. I am able to access with root login. So
Oh.
generally, we started the service called systemctl
Mm-hmm.
start and stop the SHSD.
Okay, sir.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Systemctl is the latest command. Earlier, like Ubuntu 17, Ubuntu 18, same service you can start using services.shs reload, guys. Earlier, we used to call it as, what is that? As a service. Now they have changed it to systemctl. Are you getting? Got it? I did nothing, guys. By typing password, it is somehow wrong, mismatch, so that I am unable to do that. Do the practice same thing. Okay. Clear, guys?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
again, I am repeating, systemctl command came into the picture after latest versions of Linux machines, guys. Earlier, we used to call it as service. Instead of yes, systemctl service. That's it. Okay. Yeah, that's what I said, right? Lot of changes are coming. Okay. Old features are deprecating or retiring, and the new features are introducing. Just we have to adapt them. That's it. Yeah. Now go ahead and access the application. Refresh one.
Yes, sir. Able to access.
Yes, this is a new application. This is how really application deployment will happen on top of what is that? Linux functions. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, start using Copilot, guys. This is nice. It is revelation in the market. Most of the companies already they are started implementing. Okay. It is the Microsoft AI tool.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So this is about what? Creation of virtual machines with Windows and Linux operating system. In next session, I am going to discuss about what? What is the disk? How we can create the new disk? How to extend and delete the disk? That all we will see in next session. Okay.
So tomorrow we have class.
Yeah. No, guys. Again, we will connect back on Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, would you mind sharing those applications which you are
Yeah.
using?
Yeah. I will share it.
So can we get Linux commands?
Yeah. I will share. So after typing it, no, just type history, guys. Okay, type history, you will get all the list of commands which I have executed. Here also, clear the window. Okay, just type history. So this is the one command to track all what you did, all the changes in your mission, guys. When I type history, people will say I did not execute any commands, I did not do anything. People used to say, right, generally in offices. So to track it, what he did, ask him to go on the type history command. It will give you list of commands, whatever I have executed so far. Okay. These are the list of commands, guys. I did install and perform it so far. So what I will do now, I will copy, paste it in. Yeah, Vijay, yes, I am going to teach Windows only, guys. Need not worry. Okay, Windows Server I am going to complete, but meantime, Linux basics also important. Okay, that's why I have taken basics of Linux. That's it. Okay, I am going to cover total cloud only. Yeah. These are the comments. 37, right? Copy and paste. I hope you got all comments. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, any queries? Try to use mobile extreme, guys. Okay.
No, sir.
Sorry.
Okay, sir. I will use.
Yeah. Have you heard about it, just tool? Well, Linux administrator, someone in the team. I think Vijay, you are the Linux administrator, right? Okay, fine. Yeah, try to use mobile extreme. That is the tool currently most of the companies are using. Try to make it habit now itself. Okay. Yeah, thank you everyone. Bye. Have a
Thank
great
you,
day.
sir.
Happy
Thank
weekend.
you, sir.
Till
Yeah, you
then.
too. Bye, sir. Yeah.
Sir, please share the tabs so that we can practice.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.